Welcome to an exciting dive into flower structures and reproduction. We'll explore how flowers function as reproductive units and contribute to plant life cycles. Learn about racemose and cymose inflorescences, to fascinating ways flowers arrange themselves, influencing growth direction and blooming patterns. Discover the flower's anatomy, its four whorls, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, and their roles in plant reproduction. Explore bisexual, unisexual, and perianth flowers, demonstrating nature's diversity in floral arrangements and functions. Understand actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetric flowers, revealing how symmetry impacts a flower's form and pollination. Dive into trimerous, tetramerous, and pentamerous flowers, based on floral segments and their numerical multiples. Learn the differences between bracteate and abracteate flowers, highlighting bract-based variations in plants. Explore hypogynous, perigynous, and epigynous flowers based on the position of floral parts and ovary structure. Uncover the calyx's protective role in the bud stage and learn about gamosepalous and polysepalous types. Delve into corolla's vibrant petals designed to attract pollinators and discover its varied shapes and functions. Understand estivation, the arrangement of petals and sepals in a bud, including valvate, twisted, imbricate, and vexillary patterns. Learn how sepals or petals merely touch at the edges without overlapping, as seen in Calotropis. Examine twisted estivation, where one petal edge overlaps another in a circular pattern, found in flowers like China rose. Explore imbricate estivation, where sepals or petals overlap randomly, as observed in Cassia and Gulmohar. Discover vexillary estivation, where the standard petal overlaps wings and keel, typical in pea and bean flowers. Learn about mustard flowers featuring actinomorphic symmetry, hypogynous floral parts, and a superior ovary. Analyze pea flowers with zygomorphic symmetry, vexillary estivation, and their unique arrangement of 5 petals. Understand sunflowers as composite flowers with epigynous ray florets and an inferior ovary. Discover lilies with undifferentiated perianth, trimerous merosity, and their classical elegance in nature. Reflect on how floral anatomy, inflorescence, symmetry, positions, and estivation create diverse plant reproductive strategies.